Are you that product enthusiast who really wants to understand the career path in the field of product management? Well, you are someone who wants to transition into the field of product management and want to know where it starts and how it progresses further. Well, then this video is meant for you. So why don't you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the video ahead. Hey, how it's going, product people? This is Afreen from Inset, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about product management, career path. Now we get a ton of questions on this topic, on our videos, like what are the different responsibilities in product management, what are the different roles and titles, right? So I'm really, really excited to be making this video, and I think a lot of you will find this very, very useful. So the first thing that I'd like to point out about the product manager career path is that product managers come from a ton of different backgrounds. They come from engineering, design, marketing, just to name a few, right? And what's really, really cool about this is that if you're interested in product management, someone has certainly made that transition from wherever you are to product management successfully. So let's start, and discuss some product roles. So now again, there are no standardized way to kind of enter this field. But if you were to start at the beginning in the most entry level role, that would be associate product manager. Right now, seeing as it's an entry level role, associate product managers are not expected to know everything about product management. However, you should have some domain knowledge, right? And hiring managers will be looking for a clear passion for the customer, right? So in terms of the day to day work, associate product managers can expect to do pretty much everything the product manager does, just on a smaller scale. So you might not set the product strategy, or you might not own the product roadmap, but you will have your own priorities for your own projects, and you will be expected to report to your peers and to your managers, right? And once you have proven yourself as a worthy associate product manager, the next logical step would be that of the product manager. Now, whether or not you have product experience, you will definitely need some professional experience to land this role. So ideally, that professional experience shows off the development of soft skills like communication, prioritization, and collaboration as a product manager, right? And you will definitely need to be able to speak basic product concept and ideas, right? This mid-level role is similar to that of an APM position, just there are a little bit more responsibilities involved, right? Now, to really, really summarize this position, the product manager is responsible for developing product strategy, owning the roadmap, talking to customers, and being that point person for both the product team and all other teams in the organization. And keep in mind, the importance of owning this role is with confidence. So this means making key decision, kind of backed by data and thorough research, right? Now, the next level up, from this position of product manager is senior product manager. Now, the senior product manager does a lot of the same things that a product manager does, just for higher impact and higher visibility products, right? So along with this, the senior product managers is often, they are kind of a mentor figure for more junior product managers in the organization. While mid-level product managers might be more heads down in the data, they might be interviewing or talking to the customers, the senior product managers takes a broader look at the entire product process, right? Along with this, they become more of a voice, at the leadership table, and kind of vouch for the product team, after the senior product manager. Now, after this product, senior product manager, comes the position of director of product, right? Now, this role definitely would require some leadership experience, right? And the ability to build and trust a team to execute strategic plans. Again, the pattern here is moving to more of a macro focus, as opposed to a more micro focus than we see in kind of in some lower level roles. So director of product focuses on building better processes, honing existing processes that exist in an organization, improving overall team performance, and creating consensus throughout the entire organization. So they spend kind of like a significant amount of time researching the market that their product actually lives in. And this includes research on things like kind of best practices that are followed, and what their competitors are exactly doing. And then moving up the ladder, once again, our next role is the VP of product. Now, the VP of product at its core is responsible for an entire product set, and they're expected to be a high level resource for the entire product organization. Now, some of the responsibilities of a VP include budgeting for the product organization, ensuring that the product decisions align with business objectives, and protecting the product team from the internal politics. And just a quick note, at this level we begin to see kind of a growing emphasis on thought leadership. So it's not uncommon that you will see a VP of product kind of participating in speaking engagements or other kind of leadership events that takes place, right? And the very last role that I will briefly touch on is the chief product officer. So the CPO might just be an expanded variation of the VP of product, or maybe they are always kind of overseeing seeing multiple VPs of product within the company. So at this level you are thinking about the entire product portfolio, and you're pretty much thinking as macro as possible. So what are some opportunities within the next 3 to 5 years from here? The CPO might set some aspirational goals to help inspire and motivate the product team. So I'm going to stop right there, guys. We could go on and on about these different roles and responsibilities, but I don't want to take us on end. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.